Okay, now I would like to ask Professor Mauro Soldati. He is the president of International Association of Geomorphologists and professor in the University of Modena in Reggio Emilia in Italy, to welcome this workshop. Mauro, we cannot hear you.
Okay, sorry. So thank you very much, Nikki, and welcome everybody to this second workshop dedicated to women in geomorphology. Really valuable initiative. It was really successful last year, and I'm sure it will be today as well. Actually, 1 hour before the meeting, there were already 30 participants attending on the start of the event. So not even when you have a world soccer final, you have so many people around before. So there were people anxious to join, and I see that now the number of participants is really high. So this means that this event was really important. That is really important for us, for our community, and so thank you very much for organizing it. Actually, this comes at the end of a very successful week, the International Geomorphology Week 2022, that got to its third edition. So I think it's the best way to conclude the activities that foresaw 9 regional webinars and a series of side events. So on behalf of the IG Executive Committee and of the whole International Association of Geomorphologists, I would like to wish the participants a pleasant event, and I would like to thank especially Nikki for having organized this for the second time, and for the Hellenic Committee for Geomorphology and the Environment, which I would like to recall is the national scientific member adhering to the IG, for the preparation and management of this initiative. You have set up an excellent organizing and scientific committee, so congratulations also for this, and the program sounds really intriguing. Actually, this is a quite terrible period during our term. I mean, the term of our executive committee, which will end on the occasion of the Coimbra conference in Portugal, and our Vice President Communication Officer, I'm sure will tell you a few words about that later on. We are concluding our term, and it was really an unprecedented term for the IG. We suffered from the pandemic, and we had to consider in different ways of gathering up all together. Some of them were really successful, like the one we have been experiencing during this week. Of course, we all feel the need to be together also in person, and we hope that we geomorphologists, like all other scientists, will be able to do that very soon. At the same time, we are experiencing another very unprecedented event, especially for Europe in recent times. And I would like to inform you that we have subscribed a declaration of the International Association for the Promotion of Geoethics, and you can find the information on the IG website, geomorph.org, regarding the present situation in Europe, and referring to situations of authoritarianism and war. So please have a look of this declaration and the statement that we have reported on the IG website. At the same time, I would like to express our solidarity and wish for peace to all those involved in this struggling situation, including scientists and geomorphologists that we know are having bad times during this period. So I would like to thank you again very much for your attention, and I wish you a great event.
You're muted, Nikki.
Thank you very much, Mauro, for the welcome speech and also for this valuable information.